I started my career as a deputy district attorney in Boulder, Colorado. The best defense attorneys that I would go up against were those that had an innate curiosity about the case. They challenged the police reports. They challenged the officer's credibility. They went deeper than just the paper to try to get the best result for their clients. That's what I vowed to do when I came into private practice many years ago, and that's what I do to this date. A case starts with what we call discovery. Body-worn camera evidence, police reports, 911 calls, CAD reports. These sorts of things all get put together into a complete whole that we begin looking at and probing with our investigators, with our experts. The use of experts in criminal law is underappreciated. For instance, in a DUI case, if there's no chemical test and the district attorney and the police officer think that the examination of your eyes, often called a horizontal gaze nystagmus test, is the end-all be-all for whether or not you were impaired or intoxicated, I am very likely to retain a behavioral optometrist, because behavioral optometrists are trained to work with children and adults who have visual system disorders. In a typical case involving he said, she said allegations, either assault, domestic violence, where is the additional evidence that can be looked at? A lot of times it's text messages, sometimes it's phone messages, sometimes it's interviewing the neighbors, sometimes it's interviewing the children. Sometimes it's looking at a pattern that's occurred between those two people beforehand. The most important thing, I think, in a case is that we investigate it, we utilize experts where appropriate, we make sure your story is what's told to the district attorney, and if that isn't enough to result in a kind of plea bargain or outcome that's acceptable to you, it lines us up for a successful defense at trial.